Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on your 2012 Volkswagen Jetta, the 2.0 gas. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and comment below? It really helps out a lot. Okay, first thing we're going to do with the door open so you can pop your hood, you'll pop your hood. And then you are going to turn on your car. Then you turn the air to the coldest setting, and then you'll turn the blower speed on 4, turn the AC on, and then we'll go under the hood. Alright, so right here is your low pressure port. So we're going to take this cap off, set it somewhere safe, and then we are going to attach our recharge hose right there to that connection. It snaps on. You can see we're already nicely in the green here, so this is basically just to demonstrate, but when your compressor is on, this is how you want it to look. You want the needle to just stay steady right in one spot. If you're low, oftentimes your needle will drop or pop up really high, and then your compressor kicks on and the needle drops down, your compressor kicks off and the needle pops back. You want your needle to just stay steady, just like this. So to recharge, you're just going to squeeze the trigger and oscillate the can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Back and forth. Just like that. And when you let off the trigger, you'll be able to see where the needle is again. So hopefully this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, comment below, and have a good one and stay cool.